Hi there. Drummers have a whole new world they get to look forward to, drumming on anything and everything and actually hearing it outside of their head. A Kickstarter campaign has been launched for Freedrum, a virtual drum kit that fits in your pocket and can be played anywhere. Freedrum is designed to give musicians the most natural drumming experience. It is small, lightweight and easy to set up. Drummers can just slip the Bluetooth sensors on their drumsticks, pair them with their smartphone, and take them anywhere. It doesn't require an internet connection and runs on a battery that should last for a week of regular use. The Freedrum units are interchangeable, so they can be used on feet, too, without buying a special product. When not on the drummer's sticks or feet, it can fit in their pocket for easy transport. Officially, the developers have tested and guarantee Freedrum's use on iOS with GarageBand on iPhones and iPads with iOS 10 or later. However, Freedrum has been tested on a variety of different music apps on iOS that supports Bluetooth MIDI, including DM1 by Finger Lab, MoDrum, and Vatinator Drum Machine. It's also been successfully used through macOS and Windows 10. Freedrum is powered by a tiny, high-capacity LiPo battery, which can be fully charged in just under an hour, while providing enough power to keep Freedrum running for 7 hours of constant drumming. It's extremely lightweight and precise and includes a PCB with a gyroscope that detects movements and interprets them as hits on a drum. Together with the detected fours, and a few other magic parameters, the movement is translated into MIDI. The MIDI signal is sent via Bluetooth to the connected app, which then plays the actual sound via headphones or onboard speakers. A standard Freedrum package includes 2 Freedrum units, a micro USB charger, 2 straps for drumsticks and 2 straps for your feet. Backers can select a variety of options. Thanks for watching us. Bye.